Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm Subarna Mondol from Bathanberia, Kolaghat, Purbo Midnapur. Today, I would like to share about how I have spent the day of Nil Susti in this year. It was previous year when I started to keeping fast on the day of Nil Susti, and this year is the second year, and this year also I have kept the fast. So it was the day on. It was Monday, and this was the day of New Susti. And before that day, I had prepared all the instrument of puja. I mean all the elements of puja, like flowers and fruits and etc. So in on that day, me and my friend we decided that like previous year, this year we also keep নির্জলা উপোস। নির্জলা মানে ওটাকে নির্জলাটাকে ইংলিশে কি বলে? মানে একটা স্পেসিফিক্যালি কোনো। And we were also discussing that whether we would be able to keep it, because previous year we had faced various troubles, because as the duration is too long. It was about 24 hours. uh, Maybe it is more than 24 hours. So our throat went very dry. It was like a dry piece of wood. That's why we were nervous, but we decided that we will keep. Determined. We were determined. And we considered that we will keep Nirjala first. But at the time of afternoon, my friend become very ill, because that week she had various problems. I told in another video that her grandmother was in hospital, was hospitalized. That's why she did not eat and drank. এখানে বলতে গেলেই ভুলে যাই। She didn't eat and drank. পেটে আছে, মুখে আছে না, মানে পর্যাপ্ত পরিমাণ, ইংলিশটা ভুলে যাচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ, সাফিসিয়েন্টলি। That's why she made me call, and she asked me whether she would drink any juice or something, because she was saying that if she doesn't take any, she doesn't drink, then then she will got heart attack. That's why then I suggested her that take water or take juice. So she could not she could not keep her fast, nirjala. Then uh, then in the morning I collected akondo flowers, and I made a garment from huh? Simplest মানে না, লাস্ট ইয়ার ছিল ধুতরা ফ্লাওয়ার। হ্যাঁ, the day before I went to collect the flower, simples, but in this year the trader, they had stolen every flowers. Even the baby flowers were also stolen. And the tree, sorry, the plant which belonged to the that belonged to the house owner. They said that we এখানে এলেই ভুলে যাই আমি সবকিছু। বারণ করা, সেটা ভুলে যাওয়া, forbade. We for হ্যাঁ, we forbade everyone not to pluck all the flowers, but they didn't hear, and they plucked all the flowers. So this year I could not collect. I collected dhutra flowers, but I could not collected the flowers for the consent of my mind. I collected very little size of flowers, but I collected akondo flowers, and I made garland for God. And then I bought a green coconut and etc. all the elements. And during at the time of afternoon, me and my friend went to the sweet cake shop to buy sweet cake for offering God. Then at evening we offered the sweet cake to God and vermilion. Sorry, vermilion. No, sorry. ধূপ ইংলিশটা কি জানো?
Incense stick.
হ্যাঁ, incense.
Incense stick.
Incense stick, and we blowed candle and came back to our home. Then we got prepared, and everyone will know that on that day on that day the god god goes to marry another temple. And then these rituals were going on. God went to another temple for in our village there are three Shiva temple. So the primary temple, we offer water there, and there are to another temple. So God goes through palki to those.
Palanquin.
Huh?
Palanquin.
ইংলিশে বলে প্যালানকুইন।
Palanquin.
প্যালানকুইন,
Palanquin.
আচ্ছা। through palanquin. Then after returning, the the process of Kali Nach যেটাকে বলা হয় বাংলাতে Kali Nach started, and is in this year the committee of our village, they মানে মানে তারা আনিয়েছিল আর কি। they had brought one সাপুরে ইংলিশ কি সাপুরে
Juggler.
কি
Juggler.
জাগলার one juggler, and our committee members were announcing that please be aware because the juggler will show you.
Banned now. The net.
Huh?
Juggler is banned. আপনার ব্যান হয়ে গেছে সাপেনে ছিল কিন্তু ব্যান হয়ে গেছে সাপেনে এখন নিয়ম নেই
না এনেছিল।
জানলে অ্যারেস্ট করবে এটা কি ব্যান হয়ে গেছে দেন
they announced that be careful because jungler will show you tricks by using the snake. So one side Kalinach was going on, and the other side the juggling was going on. মানে ভেলকে দেখাচ্ছিল সাপ নিয়ে। He bought only one snake, and he was showing us juggling by that snake, but the snake became very afraid. মানে if when we were seeing it, মানে দূর থেকে দেখছিলাম, when we were seeing that, we felt very pity for the creature, because the creature shrinked, because all around there was a sound of dhak jhaj, microphones. So it became shrinked within the hands of that juggler, and the snake had beaten various times through that juggler. মানে ওর তো বিষ ছিল না, ওই অভ্যাসও আছে ওদের কামড় খাওয়া। And it was the time, and it became 10 p.m. Our thirst had reached to its extreme point, and we were very very thirsty, but we were আবার ভুলে গেছি, সমবেদনা জানো না, সান্ত্বনা দেওয়া, সিম্প্যাথি, এগুলো কিন্তু সবই জানি, এখানে বলতে গেলেই ভুলে যাই। we were showing we were making sympathize ourselves to ourselves that there is there is only 2 hours left, and the process will be started. So after completing the process of Kalinach, our puja had started, and puja had started. Then at first the saints, they were offering water to the god. After them we were offering water to the god, and after the process of offering water, there is another process, that is we have to mix green coconut water, milk, honey, honey, and various items within one pot. Then we will offer that. And when my mother was going home, I said her that go to home and make one pitcher sorbat for me. যাই হোক, এনিথিং এনিথিং। আমি বলছি আমার জন্য এক কলসি শরবত বানিয়ে রাখো, এখানে হয়ে গেলে আমি গিয়ে খাবো। But like previous year, we were feeling a kind of spirituality, a kind of calmness in the atmosphere. But in this year, the young generation of our village, they brought DJ boxes, and they decided that they will dance the whole night beside the temple. So it at about 12:30 a.m. they were dancing, and the loud sound of the box were beating, making noise. So that's why, like previous year, this year we cannot find we were not able to find that peace like previous year. So at about 12:30 p.m., there was one old woman. Sorry, a.m. There was one old woman beside the temple. So he got he got very trouble in her physically trouble, because he was very old, uh, heart problem. So her wife, the grandmother, she came there and she requested the মানে ইয়ং মানে বয়েজ বলবো না, দোজ মেন মানে ইয়ং জেনারেশন, মানে কমিটি নয়, ওরা কমিটি মেম্বার নয়, ইয়াং বয়েজ মানে ওরা হচ্ছে ফিউচার কমিটি মেম্বার, যার কারণে ওদিকে এরকম। So she was requesting to stop the boxes because the grandfather was suffering, but they all were drunken. That's why they started quarreling that they will not stop the box. They will enjoy more, and they started quarreling, and they were saying that only your husband has the problem and nobody has the problem. But nobody was dare to complain about against them. That was the real reason. But there was started chaos, and my friend's father was also there, and she brought me there, and we two went there, and she dragged her father, and she said had go home right now, and
They are in a good moment.
and I will not allow you to be here. And her father was also drunken. Then her father requested her, as he was also drunken, so he requested her to allow him to stay there, because he was the main one he was in the process of মানে ওই বক্স আনার ব্যাপারটাতে ছিল আর কি,
On that arrangement.
on that arrangement. But my friend dragged her and dragged him and sent him to her home. Then the box had already stopped. Then we completed another rituals. Then there was another rituals. One feast was offered to the god. Then the feast will go out to the tank behind the temple. Then all these rituals had completed. Then we broke our fast by drinking charnamrit, and then we ate prasad, যেটাকে বলে fruit prasad, and we went home at about 3 p.m. Sorry, a.m. 3 a.m. Then after reaching home, I drank sarbat, ate some fruits, and then I slept on. And in this way, I had completed my the whole day of news system. Thank you.